Welcome to Tolga Scarecrow Festival 2021. Hi, it's Cheche here once again. Let's have a look at the scarecrows on display. Comment down below which one is your favorite.
3, 2, 1, let's go!
Scarecrow always played a big part in saving the crops, and it's profit that we've been taking. So no doubt we're seeing people coming out and supporting events like we've never seen before.
As I'm sure we will spoke about, it goes back to the roots of our farming community right through. Ladies and gentlemen, thank Mr. Shake for those few words, and it's great to see everyone here.
And then you take it over to
Mini.
Yeah.
This one.
Okay.
Here.
Yep.
So what will happen?
You come over to the sifting room.
Come to the sifting room.
Okay, yes, and just dump it in there and you can give that a good shake. Yep. Just dump it a hole in, you can use the other hand.
Oh!
Okay.
What is it?
Yeah, so you can put them in and they'll come under the tap really quite well.
So this is mine now?
Yeah, that's your deal. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
What do you call these gems for?
You'd have to look them up on the chart.
Alright.
I'm not sure what each one of those are.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Alright.
Is that another one there? Yeah.
I'll let my husband.
Yeah, we'll check it out, yeah.
And now can I have a selfie with you?
Yeah, no worries. Now how do you want to do it? Take it?
Will you be able to take it for me?
Please.
Yeah, it looks good.
Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next Scarecrow Festival. Woohoo! And that's Tolga Scarecrow Festival done and dusted. Now I'm going to the trick or treat. See you in the next vlog. Bye!